We are all carrying memories inside our subconscious mind. You always doubt spending money, whether it's going to come back or not. How money comes to you in your life. Miracles will happen. What you need will come to you at the right time. To remind yourself, there is a child sitting inside of you, but the child is suffering because of these feelings. So your job is to anxiety, stress, tension, discomfort. So this money problem in your life is an opportunity for you to take responsibility. Hooponopono is a wonderful cleaning process that encourages us to go within and correct our own thoughts, our own feelings, our vibration and energy to resolve any problem in life. When it comes to resolving our money problems, when it comes to improving our financial life and area, it is important to understand that cleaning your energy about money is all about correcting your thoughts about money. So many of these thoughts could be unconscious in nature. For example, insecurity relating to money. Perhaps you don't understand why there is a discomfort with respect to money in your life. Maybe you're not very confident that you're capable of making more money. Perhaps you are aware of some patterns that you picked up from your parents in the childhood. Maybe the parents had a very restrictive environment, a very protective environment where you kind of felt that everything is limited. So you have to hold on to money also in order to ensure it's safe with you. And so you always doubt spending money, whether it's going to come back or not. There could be so many such patterns which are conscious in nature, so many which are unconscious in nature. It all comes down to understanding that we are all carrying memories inside our subconscious mind, which are responsible for the amount of money that comes into our life. Energy is also responsible for the amount of money that stays with you and even determines how much money comes to you and also determines how money comes to you in your life. For example, for some people, money will come, but it comes with a lot of struggle, a lot of delays. So let's look at how we can use the power of Hooponopono to cleanse our energy with respect to money. Number one, please observe how you feel about money. Perhaps there are some negative feelings that often come up in the day with respect to money and your career. Just make sure when the feeling comes, you don't suppress it, don't ignore it. Take for example, the feeling is anxiety. Maybe you're stressed about how you're going to pay your bills. Acknowledge how you feel and then take it up with your subconscious mind. As you acknowledge this feeling, remind yourself, I can let this feeling go. Just think of yourself like a little child. Hold on to this image of your own childhood in your mind and say to your younger self, doesn't matter if we have held on to this feeling for so long. Today, we can let this go. Please let go. Please let go. Please let go. In fact, if we had to summarize the whole Hooponopono cleaning process, we could summarize it in 3 words. Please let go. So your responsibility is to remind yourself there is a child sitting inside of you that is suffering because of these feelings. There could be feelings relating to money, but the child is suffering because of these feelings. So your job is to free the child. So don't make any intentions with respect to money. Don't talk to the child saying, we have to make 50,000, we have to make 1 lakh, I have to pay 5 lakhs bill. No. Hooponopono is about understanding your true freedom and happiness in life can come from releasing memories of the past. So when you think of yourself like a child, you talk to your inner child, try to connect with the child. Give the child love by saying, I know how you feel, but trust me, it is going to be okay. Please let go. Please let go. Please let go. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you wholeheartedly for everything. And then try to do some breathing. You could give yourself counts. For example, inhale slowly counting 1 to 7. Hold your breath up to 7 counts and slowly exhale through your mouth, counting 1 to 7. Exhaling through your mouth allows you to release anxiety, stress, tension, discomfort that you may be experiencing inside your body. While you're doing this exercise, if you notice some heaviness, or unpleasant feelings in any particular part of the body, acknowledge it. Place your hands on that part of the body. For example, some of us may experience discomfort around the navel area, the stomach area. Place your palms on the stomach area and start repeating, please let go. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you wholeheartedly for everything. This is how you can start cleaning even for the money area. The best part is, as you start feeling better, your worry comes down, your stress comes down, your anxiety comes down. The subconscious mind starts cooperating more with you to bring you what you truly need. So without intending, while you're focusing on cleaning up your energy, you're making space for better things in your life. You're correcting your money energy. And the best part is, this allows you to release negativity that you may have stored for so many years, perhaps even lifetimes. So this money problem in your life, please remember, is an opportunity for you to take responsibility for your life. Something is still there for you to correct. If the money problem is not going, despite your cleaning, a lot of you send questions relating to Hooponopono. Doctor, I've been cleaning for so much time. Why am I not seeing result? Somewhere I'm still attached to the result. I'm still feeling that I don't have something. This feeling of lack means that I am not focusing on helping my child. I'm still thinking about what I want. But the child perhaps needs your unconditional love. So take this as an opportunity to see yourself, see your inner child, your own life with more love, with more peace, with more joy. Be grateful for what you have. Even while you are finding it difficult today, perhaps you really have bills to pay, your house to take care of. Surrender to the divine. Say, God, I'm going to do my bit by this cleaning. Rest I leave to you. And trust me, when you surrender to the divine through the Hooponopono process, saying, God, I'm trying my best, now you take over. Miracles will happen. What you need will come to you at the right time. But you must trust. Hooponopono is all about trusting the process. Trust the process. Know this, that in forgiving yourself, in forgiving others, and in connecting with your subconscious mind, you will overcome any difficult problem and challenge in your life. But it all starts from you willing to take 100% responsibility for your life without blaming other people for your problems. Stop blaming the family members, stop blaming your neighbors, stop blaming your friends for not supporting you. Take it as your responsibility to improve your life. And when you stop criticizing others, stop blaming others, and instead start focusing on giving more love to yourself, then you will see amazing changes in your life. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और इस चैनल से आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टिप्स, टूल्स और टेक्निक्स का फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपको लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आ जाएंगे हमारे वीडियोस के, और फिर हम एक साथ एक दूसरे को इंस्पायर कर पाएंगे।